The 01 V-clamp holds edge-cut keys. It has 4 jaw positions. The jaw position required is displayed on the tablet screen, based on the type of key to be decoded and/or cut by copying or by code. Positioning the correct side is quick and easy. With the clamp jaws open slightly, rotate the clamp by hand to the required position. The 4-sided clamp is used to secure keys firmly against the back on the profile of the key. To copy keys using the Copy by Original function, the user will decide which side is most suitable for the key being copied. For code key cutting, the choice of clamp is established by the software. When loading a key into the jaw, the key must be gauged properly. Keys with shoulders are gauged with the shoulder stop gauge or stop position 0. To lower the gauge into position, gently pull the gauge towards the operator and turn clockwise about 180 degrees. Load the key into the clamp with the shoulder pushed up to the stop on the gauge. Once the key is clamped, rotate the shoulder gauge back into position, resting against the stop pin. The machine will not operate until the shoulder gauge is in the idle position. Keys without shoulders are gauged using the tip of the key. There are 4 tip stop positions on each jaw. To gauge a key by the tip, place the tip stop bar into the appropriate slot, 1, 2, or 3. To gauge a key in tip position 4, hold the tip stop bar on the back edge of the jaw and slide the key back until it touches the tip stop bar.